Ethereum may add 4.2% by June 23, CoinLore shows. But before we move on, here's what's going on right now. At the time of this update, Ethereum is up 0.2% in the last 24 hours and trading near $1,736.99. Let's shift to the analyst projections. According to CoinLore, $1,811 is likely by June 23, a projected growth of close to 4.2%. CoinDataFlow indicates Ethereum might approach $1,759.76, representing a gain of 1.3%. Traders Union points out the chance of reaching $1,749.37, a projected gain of 0.7%. Another analysis from 30 Rates notes Ethereum could head toward $1,701, a decline close to 2.1%. And to wrap up crypto predictions, puts the price at $1,648.67 by June 23, down roughly 5.1%. This is the most profitable outlook. That covers 5 expert predictions for tomorrow. Now let's move on. Let's now shift from expectations to potential performance. Looking across the forecast from each market expert, the price may shift anywhere between a decrease of 5.1% and a gain of 4.2%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that Crypto Predictions predicts the highest return, with 5.1% gain in value by tomorrow. Therefore, you could generate between $7 and $51 for every $1,000 you invest. Judging by the probability, Traders Union is ahead with a 90.2% chance of success. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. The consensus scenario places Ethereum near $1,733.96 with almost no shift. Here are the details. The consensus outcome suggests a 0.2% fall in price. As a result, your capital may also advance by approximately 0.2%. On a 1,000 position, this could potentially mean around $2 more. According to the consensus assessment, the odds of this projection being realized are near 92.2%. This time, let's see how analysts outline the likely path of the market for the next 3 days. The scenario from CoinLore also shows the price climbing. Meanwhile, CoinDataFlow expects an upward trajectory in the short term. Traders Union highlights a bearish short-term picture. Also, 30 Rates describes the near-term path as bearish. Additionally, Crypto Predictions suggests Ethereum could slide further. The consensus picture highlights a bearish short-term trend for Ethereum. Bringing these perspectives together, the majority expect Ethereum to decline. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's check them against yesterday's price. As a result, yesterday ended with the market at $1,706.77. Yesterday showed that most analysts captured the correct move. Coin price forecast delivered the most accurate forecast. Let's zoom in on the individual results. 2 forecasts fit within the daily range. When it comes to ROI, a few forecasts ended positive, with the top result at 0.6%. Now showing the performance check, how each analyst's forecast matched reality. For comparison, CoinCodex reached minus 0.6% ROI and $79.07 accuracy. Look through the table and notice which forecasts turned out most accurate. Here's a quick visual of tomorrow's forecasted returns showing Ethereum compared with the rest of the market. Ethereum isn't on top this time as Algorand leads with 2%. This segment compares Ethereum with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already accessible on my website. If you like seeing what's moving before the rest of the market, hit subscribe. Take care, guys.